So when measuring the height for the corners for the angle iron here, this is 7 1/4, that's 7 3/8. But there's a little bit of play in this height wise, just from the actual brick height. So I'm going to split the difference, make it 7 5/16. So from here to the end where I'm going to cut it flush is 7 5/16. Now that should make it pretty much tight in there, hopefully. So here's my finished welded up forge. I still need to get the metal to make some legs for it. Now if you can tell, right in here between each brick I put refractory cement in there, kind of like mortar, because, well, it's cement. But it's all welded up, ground smooth. Not perfect, but it'll work. And this thing is heavy. Now what I'm going to do is have the pipes coming up from here, connecting to each other with a shutoff point up here that goes to the gas tank, then a shutoff on either side so I can control the temperature better. And I even put refractory cement in the edges right here on all corners. Can't really see it, but I did. Because see, here's the bottom brick, the two side bricks that I bought, and then the top brick up here. You'll see here's the two new bricks, which are smaller and thinner than these old ones. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some more angle iron like this, or square tubing like that is 4 feet long, make some legs that come down at a slight angle, and then I have a band running around them so they don't spread from the sheer weight of this thing, because it is like ridiculously heavy.